Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a beautiful 1970 Chevy CST 10 Pickup. It is 350 V8, of course. Gorgeous teal color, teal interior to match. Awesome driver. Super clean. So you can notice in the back, got it lined back there. It's got the little tub here to be able to keep things in. Let's take a look into the interior side of things. Super clean in here. I love this color. Go around here to the driver's side. Alright, gonna go ahead and pop open the hood, and we'll take it for a spin and put her on the hoist. Got the CST right here. I'm gonna take it for a spin down the street. Very nice acceleration. It sounds great, feels great. Smooth drive. Steering wheel doesn't have much play in it at all. It is a lovely color, lovely drive. Take this turn here, no problem. All right, let's go ahead, swing her back around and put her on the hoist.